Hi there! In this video, we'll explain the differences between our scoring models. When creating your assessment, your first decision will be on which scoring model best meets your requirements. We offer two different assessment scoring models. So let's dive in. For our first scoring model, we have a simple assessment. A simple assessment provides an overall score. This can be compared to a school test. For example, an assessment can ask, how likely would you enjoy a visit to the UK? And the answers can be scored out of 100%. You can set the range of scores from 1 to 100, or any other sequential number range. You can then provide custom feedback depending on a respondent's score, such as, your score of 89% shows you would likely enjoy visiting the UK very much. We will conclude by discussing our multi-type assessment. A multi-type assessment rates a respondent in each of your designated categories. Compare this to a report card that gives you grades or scores in several subjects. For example, an assessment can ask, what would you most like to study in college? Arts, sciences, or business? You can give the respondent a score for every type, along with customized feedback, such as, you scored high on interest in science. That means you are likely to be very motivated if you major in science. Here are some resources to guide you. And then, you scored medium on your interest in business. That means this may not be the best choice for your major. Here are some resources to help you learn more, and so forth. When choosing your scoring model, think of what information you would like to provide your respondents. Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software and what we can do for you. Have a great day!